We are back again with some new logic, new tricks in the Power Query M code. So today we are going to split this column. Okay, so you can see here I have the data set. I got the data in one single individual column. Okay, in this column I have the data. So meaning you can see here it is given here A, then number, then country. So this seems to be in one column, and this one B, number and country, this become another column. C, number and country, this become third column, meaning we are going to split every this three individual row into one column. Okay, like this. So if you are going to do this one in Excel, you can use the formula wrap column. We are going to wrap the individual column into multiple column. Okay, so select the data set and we are going to wrap into three rows. Okay, so you can see here the data is splitted. Okay, this become in uh, one data set, this become another data set, and this one is another one. Now we can just rotate this. Okay, you can use here transpose function. Okay, so close the bracket, at the end press enter. So you can see here this is the logic we are going to build in the Power Query M code. Okay, so let us delete this one and click this one here in the column. Go to data tab and click table slash range. Okay, from table slash range this will launch the Power Query editor. So here you can see we have got two steps created automatically. First is source step, second one is the change type. So the change type we do not want to, so let us delete this one and we'll work with the source steps only. Okay, so as you can see here these data are showing in the table format. Here you can see that this icon shows that the data are in table format. So first of all what we need to do is we need to convert this data into list format. Okay, so right click on the table header and click here drill down. So now it is converted the table, this table format, into list format. You can see here it is showing list. Now we can split. Okay, so to split this data we need to use here list dot split. Okay, and apply the comma. Next parameter it is showing provide the page size as a number. Okay, so we need to split this column according to three rows, meaning every three rows must be splitted. So we are inputting here 3. Now you can see here our list is splitted into 5, meaning one single column it become 5 list. Okay, you can see here. Okay, so our logic is to get first individual word the text into one column. Second, you can just understand this is as id, so this become in the second column, and the last one is you can understand as a country. In means India. So here we are going to form 3 column. First one is the name, second one you can just understand this number as a id, and the last one is a country. Okay, so we are going to make all these list into 3 lists. So what we need to use here the formula, you can use here list dot zip. Okay, so list dot zip, what it will do, it will take every first row of the data and it will form one new column. Okay, and close the bracket. Now as you can see here it is taking every first row of the data and making one column. It is going to the next row and taking all the data from every list and making one column, and it is going to the next rows and taking the data from all the list. Okay, so This is what we wanted, but we want to convert this list into table format. Okay, we can use here table.from column to convert this list into table format. Close the bracket at the end, and as you can see here, it is converted into table format, but the header is not correct. It is showing here column 1, column 2, column 3. So what we need to do here, we can just after the before the last bracket, press the comma and write the column name. So first one I'm going to write name, second one I'm going to write ID, third one I'm going to write country. Okay, and you need to write this one in the curly bracket because this we are going to inputting as a list. So as you can see here, it is converted the column also as we want. Okay, so name, ID number, country. So now what you need to do, go to the close and load to existing table, click here, click OK. So now our data is loaded correctly. If there is another value coming, let's say I'm getting, now it is E, if I'm getting F and the number is like this, and Bangladesh. So what you need to do, you right click here, refresh. So it will automatically, it will refresh the data set. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please share, subscribe my channel.